shooting me right now, the new sibling of SL3, SL3S. Let's find out if this SL3S will be the ultimate hybrid low light video camera. This one here, this entire video is shot on Leica ecosystem, one-man show. For the last 3 months, I have been shooting on Leica system, specifically this Leica SL3 that you see here. And it is even recording now. Hello, can you see me? And now, I have this. You have seen the result of tests which I have done earlier regarding the low light capabilities of this SL3S. Running in 6K, open gate with 420, I don't have to say much. I think the result speaks for itself. Open gate is like a huge canvas for an artist to draw, because later in post-production, then I will have the freedom to do anything I like with the aspect ratio, 16 by 9, 21 by something, or even 4.3, or even 1 by 1 for Instagram. So I can just simply crop and do not worry about losing resolution. And talking about resolution, let's just do this. For example, I love this SL3 because it can do this. Just have a look here. Yeah, you see this, my phone. Okay. Now, what I will do in post-production later, I will just try to zoom in into this phone to see how clear is the resolution after I crop in. Now, let's just try this SL3S. If I were to do this, okay, and I will do the same thing, now it will zoom and pan into this phone. Let's see what will happen. Will the quality be retained? We don't know. Let's just find out later. Ideally, I would want something which I can just simply use straight out of the camera. And Leica was able to do that. I was so very happy. The kind of target which I was looking for. The kind of ease that does not require me to spend so much time doing post-edit. I don't even have to use LUT. I don't even have to use log. And for the most part, 99% of the footage, I can use it immediately without any kind of color grading. I have not seen a moment that it lapsed or misfocus while doing autofocus when doing face detection. That is crazy impressive. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the previously uncharted territory, the territory of 200,000 ISO. Yes. Now, let's just pay attention to my background over there, because literally I have switched off everything in my house. No lights, total darkness, okay? And the only light that I have is from this single candle here. So what I want to do right now is that to observe the noise level of my background. Just pay attention to my background. Now it is without any kind of noise reduction. So how is it? And at this point of time, in post-edit, I will turn on noise reduction by 50%. So how does it look like? Is it impressive? I hope. If this is not the king, not the champion of low light, then I don't know what is.